Mike from Law Technology here with some classroom troubleshooting tips. The number one thing you want to do in the classroom that resolves the majority of classroom issues is to shut off the system and turn it back on. The majority of the calls that we get, this resolves the majority of it. Now, a couple of other things. I'm trying to use the desktop computer, but I see that there's nothing on the monitor or there's nothing being projected. Sometimes the previous professor might shut down the computer, so all you need to do is power on the computer, which is located in the instructors table, usually right below the monitor. The power button looks like this. You just go ahead and press it and it'll turn on the computer again. Now you turn on the computer and you see the screen on the projector screens, but you're not seeing it on the monitor. Same thing, sometimes professors, what they do is that they move the monitor out of the way and they turn it off. On each monitor, we've labeled where the power button is, which on the Wacom, it's right here. And you just press that on and the monitor will come back on. A couple of other things are my laptop isn't displaying to the classroom system. It could be a plethora of things. Usually it's the dongle that is in the room, or if you're using your own, it might not be compatible with our projection system. This is why we highly recommend you come in before and make sure that everything works before the first day of class. We have the majority of connectors available on the second floor of the law library, but your mileage may vary. We don't have all of them. We have just a lot of the common ones. So really come in, make sure that your laptop displays in the classrooms you're going to be teaching in, and you'll be better prepared to come in to the room. How do I adjust the volume for X, Y, and Z, whether it's the classroom system or the microphones, and how do I do that? Well, on the touch screen, you have the ability to adjust the volume, and we have documentation and videos on how to do all that stuff, but really all the volume control is built into the touch screen. I need to check out things. I need a PowerPoint clicker. I need wireless microphones. Where do I find all these things? Well, you find them on the second floor of the law library. They're all available there. You just need to provide your access card so they can assign it to you, and you want to make sure that you return it after you're done. I want to adjust the camera in the classroom. How do I do that? Well, it's located here on the touch panel. You just go to camera controls and you can zoom in, zoom out, adjust the camera. Typically, you're going to be doing this if you're Skyping or Zooming or using your video conferencing software of choice. Now, how do I get my class captured? Well, create a ticket, lawhelpdesk.scu.edu with your class, the date and the time, and we'll go ahead and schedule that for you. Aside from that, like I said, the number one thing you want to do is just turn the system off and on again. And really, if you could just turn off the system completely before the next professor comes in to teach, that would actually help with a lot of the calls that we get in, because there's always confusion because a classroom is left on. So it's better just to completely turn off the system. It takes seconds for the system to shut down and seconds for the system to come back on, but it's a nice healthy reset for the classroom technology to go ahead and turn off and turn on. And 9 times out of 10, the next professor won't have any issues. If you have any questions, let us know, lawhelpdesk.scu.edu. We'll update this video accordingly if we run into anything else that I haven't outlined here. But that's the majority of the calls that we get here, here at Law Technology. Also, give us a call, 408-554-5762. Thanks for watching.